Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. I got this screwdriver today. It was at the flea market. It was $1, and I thought, you know, I did a video a while back of where I polished one of the lenses on my truck, on the headlight of my truck, and one of my viewers said, hey, why don't you try that on a screwdriver? So I thought we could try to fix up the handle a bit, and of course maybe polish this out. The head of the screwdriver is kind of rounded and thick, and it's an old crappy screwdriver, frankly, but it'll be fun practice and it'll make a good before and after. So anyway, let's do it. Okay, I don't think that worked. The polishing was okay, except as you saw there were these big gouges in it. But and this is clean. I mean, it's a lot better than it was. But I don't think that that these headlamp restorer. I don't think this is the way to go with this stuff. So I would. I'm going to have to go back and refer to some of the other videos that I watch and see how they do it. But anyway, it's a fun experiment. Screwdriver.